Abusia Timliga wife for Edim Komolo Yakusi kasa saa nso so na eye Timodogbo ni for nso so kasa na ewa Asante Queen platform so enkomo bi akoso a che omo chire ma omo se na amumu fi se lo Yakusi oni de wo ya na oni mi left and right ana ene ye mobo wa esa se lo Yakusi ni de wo ye de wo ka bia so ni de wo ka na sa LA letter of administration na che lawyer Kusi eko ya amosimu nti bi da no awiase wo mu e wono ye say upusu nunum a na wote se nunum ebon pa na ade no wode yakọ eye appeal court say o ti menye ma no se wono nko na ye yire nti onu odobroni na ye yire fine wade atum wo se wo to aso but onye hu ne pomasi bre na wo pusu nunum obete ne kankanti ne wakọ se wo hia sa letter of administration no mosi anu so yanti bi da anase no na monti ase ana abusua o ma kirem an ebi anasa letter no wonti ase ba ye ti se ebi si an na se mam ye kusu ase wa peso chese japade ni na ye ne dia ebi se wo no peso das japade na ono na eche which switch dia ni anyintum abusua o ma kirem one by one eti we aye se obi ogina class one ye kire na de no we are dying for Betiasia. Yenchi Binian family.
The media, it's a some class here, the media so come about. People pay money to get information elsewhere and put it there. Said you better to I mean, I bet diverted the attentions of the substantive matter. Now, any people away interest, try to pursue high in conforsa, Mon disgrace lawyer Kusimonka come out in Channel. Mon ridiculous Sabaya, na Bembebu, now I channel. Now, sa letter of administration lawyer Kusuko eko nene client ko ye obi si won tiase inse senko ye begene no because lawyer Kusuko ye no se wan kwanko tese ye pani so pusu nu na atene kankan yakọ high court ama judge se ema bi yemi no now for lawyer ni nyansem ye test court bi ni ehwade ni ehwade obeyi ni ti aba se won so ye yere ni ehwe ampa o test court no en obi eyi ni ti now say the parliament some they say omra me chere denti a wono so betimi ababe part of the letters of administration.
Thank you. We are here for brother nko. I mean tungu ne so ai.
We are here. So point ne say enipa bi pese yafa kwan bia so na ye intimidate the people. That's why me anytime be am friend bia me ye wo interest me ba me ye di nkomo to the sense say case where a case study for Ghana ni ba bia waware.
Yes, thank you.
Ghana ni ba bia waware bia case where a case study for you. Womwa e wasisie hunhun sa wote sa be ma no ho bia moani na ho me ye be men last time me ba be ka kire mu say e wiase ye choices Ghana constitution e ye choices wo say ye wawade miensa opa chusum baako but the moment I don't sabe to baako mu no until the day you terminate it and forget it we are part of the system if sana bro netie eti until the day wo metimi aba be ka kire say kwadwofosu ni termination marriage divorce certificate ni there's no justification. Na argument no mo yese mami akoso ya se wa marriage certificate ni ye fake no me no mo ka say ye te yase na case ni wo Kumasi High Court no court ni nyansem mu ene court omo wo dem no etimi ko fa me ami wo fa teacher kantanka adini ba ma ne be kirikiri awadododo aye wo mba cho se mu nyina mu ye obe kirikiri yate se na nkanya boni mu na nya sisie mu a adena sa energy corona no yan twen yankopo obi afi Germany ama na mekire German marriage certificate say enipa me no nsan wo so yensa signature wo so
because menya udenie asem no obisa no menya udenie abusuafo me so do beto la ye won to why do beto bibia mon to my brother yi ti me ga why get why
adentina senya sisie any intimidations and bullying and twisting I mean ye good justice system nenu asia edi enti ye nya nyansa se ye nkofa teacher kantanka no ma kira wade dodo ayi wom ewa santimem na mom na hode ye yantimi antwen se nanke ye osi enye perceive idea bi ne ye pese ye seti a yanka se ye nkofa obi fi German embassy whatever nipa no de obaji bia se de yetimi kofa teacher kantanka because teacher kantanka ban sabi wo fa ka ne bae ekwan fa so ne kasa ne wo bae aden na yankofo obi fi German embassy no wa ma kire mu se your marriage certificate saying that here. Nemo oral testimony here, yajitum. Teacher Kantaka ni oral testimony about history, yajitum. But today, what Germany be? I mean, kuta German marriage certificate, kuta be bebre, no bebre, o me say. E be anywhere, your sign so, your sign signature also. But today, the so-called intellectuals, educated fools are telling me, say, oh, na mami yako siya sewa ni marriage certificate buy na signature ni so. Look at these people. This is interesting. Mami fa bi nkyere mo German empire marriage certificate no. Mami fa bi nkyere mo. Me de bi nkyere mo sisia. Na ye nipa bonefo to the sense say obako obi a wo office o ni nyansa pa o. Utu say we de ko ni nyansa. Ah ukuta phone. Obetimi akọ Google kra akọ the sample of marriage certificate. Yet or media num ka kire wo say maame no marriage certificate no na ni so signature ni so. It will tell you say o man no baby a ya dwene wo. Aha pa jo mo hwa de. German marriage certificate ni bi ni. We obi dia no nti wakata kata ni din no so. Now certificate say na tie. O hwa ase ho a enipa obe issue sa paper o ya ma on nko an sign wo so.
Okay.
Obi a woti Germany bia kan kire me certificate enye say na tie. Mo a mo ware wo Germany.
E ba che no kure.
Yen sign wo so. No, couples they don't sign on this certificate.
Okay.
Because digitally you generate through digital. Tie sama we are dia kan nyina no o mo feed into the system. 80 point and say nanya boni na ne we yetrim na yasi me based on the see or court na me kan you say judge timi ka say o certificate na ba me hu say fake ya. Can you imagine this? It is a judge nim bibi hu nyansa en kire say obi ntimi correct no. Sampa say based on the free court buy na yasi judge timi ka say certificate na do buy na fake. In fact Emma Busia penny court timi court na national television so and make the same statement, unfounded statement. We say yanya just one because we interesting ti yanka bi achese yabodam sa nti sa wo so wania bie na unim how to do research, unim how to find information. Ada na unko Germany ho na unfro bi wo say fa marriage certificate ma na me hwa de. Now the same lawyer Kusi case Supreme Court will ruling say evidence based act say sa wo so bi for certificate mra. Now what the pass say we cry a copy. Now we as when you tender in as evidence here. You there's no way so catch a certificate in your fake. Now Saoka say fake here. Now the bone of contention relies upon you to prove the original. Patomuti yo. Saoka obi in the court ni say the back court. Now catch ren ordinary you no see me man the original. Now who catch and say fake here. Now the burden of the proof free me and media so now one also provide the original me here.
The reason you are too much.
It's Mumusa
of
Mumusa so educated fools on say Supreme Court ruling now for evidence act no. Samimi the Krataba court. Nasa who catch him say fake here. Dear Nasamoye. What the bone of contention or mine so I will make me subio. Never. It is in you for you to prove say Obe prove me some certificate ni fake am ya ade. Eti ade akoso wo court wo no eya na say ene mu a mo gege so a chinchina ye nkan ya no ntum no. I mean what say no si gain. Afei court of law say wo court now the fake documents kwa judge bia no beja am akọ now they will charge you for perjury. Enti ye busa court no ene mu amu law students now say court of public opinion for the Yabusam say. What to say? Kumasi High Court a charge lawyer Kusi ne client for perjury. What is he charge for perjury na? Yel mra etia court to say ye for fake documents in court. Anything on court who swear out of secrecy ni so be kan correct. Eti aden say marriage certificate in your fake or court what ya yan charge lawyer Kusi as a lawyer say he should know better na yan charging for perjury me musa me no me ya no asisi wo man asisi wo man so now o ma achieve first aim Penny ka say
he said they will see ka dey nka ma me akosua say won na ya sumdue enipa kenya sankwanka abusua panyi kro kodina and tentakesi UTV car say maame na de no kwa fe without any proof what the original beba a ko gina tentakesi ne car sa no kwa na nke maame akosu say you are you bi a obetimi asiu no.
That's it.
Yet to be the court.
Obetimi na kokɔ so ba be prove ba bia akoyɛ sa fake no. But maame no it say me say maame no wo ya asomdwe ni enti na lumba e car so ne na di nse no. Eno enti na wafa ne ho adi. Because say me Sabato the certificate ba near the original court or say a original. Now me challenging say fake. Me na say me prove just Sabato say na you fake. Sabato on your so relax cry. Only help you because or the evidence about now say fake now the ball is in your court for you to prove Sabato say the certificate is fake. Now the contention was the burden was in the court. Said they should prove say certificate is fake. Yama judge na fa no ho di na society no ya say ya tell me ya say nyina ya unity say nwan me ne nyina ye ko to what be critical bia no society no persecute you. So maame no o ma set first stage etia no but empani say kasabubu be say achia so emu ye or yen hwe say obenya court of appeal date no na yen hwe de be si wo so because still na no your lawyers are o mo ka no kore wo man mu your judges are o mo ka no kore wo man mu nti yen hwe de be si. But to the point to say, omo say case no, omo ko use technicalities our high court. Na yeah, omo nim say their case ni be move to different stage. No, that's why omo try to throw in a lot of trash, garbage in the system. Where we bet me publish say a company be si one ya pass your approval point. No so no. Omo ntimi anwina nko akirenti. I expose omo say now yeah, sama Ghana for nya date of birth me no ewo enipa ba ko ho. It's so shocking.
Marriage, no marriage document, non-marriage. Yes.
It's so shocking. Very, very interesting. And I think so we're a young person. This is the time you have to be critical. I mean, take out the emotions and insult, deal with them, challenge the system. We need to challenge the system. And to criticize them, do critical analysis that you prove to us, say, a year then will be Nyansani Ben or Bekosa or Kofele from 2014. No, I worry 2010 was say, may you single. On will be an agony of best idea. And so he tells you, say, Kululu biakoso, and you may be in Koyi. And untina, Womufaka Bia so pursue, I mean, Abusia for now. The last time, Amuya, you know, maybe Casamu or me pages to say, maybe Casamu or me pages to say, maybe me mama kura won pemi mama ase about pemi masem. It is not, I mean, I see you can take it, but I don't take that. Me, I will never take that. So, udi agronas weni na ho, obi betimi ayusu ma against you at all time. Who your parent, who your mother. That's why you're very careful. Obi betimi ayusu ma etia wo. Later na nkora ni be hunu na adani su no omusu but ade na nya se yewi. Enti case way
Baba mentwano. Asem ya wakama menchipu bibi kakra bi ewom. Could you believe say it could do to the extent say ya ne at the last time me ne ya bayi kasai ya ba ne catch me ne so ya say one more catch and their 20 team say wo maame ye no awade kra be ma bi enware ne da because ye gu nanimu ase wo maame gu nanimu ase so fight property no what tante could you believe say awade but say me nya bi anam say ade na okasa wane kasa akere no anam so wane kasa akere wo fighting for one kasa wo papa japade wo bebe ye yi no nya awade wo se sa mo maka akere me
okodi wo mu papa
wo se sa no me ba ma me wo se sa no maka akere no
wow
sa no maka akere akwade ato ni tirim
wow
asemi what be that
wow now see answer me ka say point and say enipa bi ehye manipulate the system tina me dem book kasa me ka kasa ko say oba tan bia no enwa dwen say okura betimi ata no ado mada obi obekasa bia obo point ne say me dem se mahu me wo me papa ware bibre me na ma me fo bibre tonight nya won ontimi cha me we na dem me kan say okura be do ma either say e wase ne na si bibi so ana o pe bibia hu o pe bibia hu na ye 1 out of 1,000 no betimi dia akoma fine ade akire enti there's see letter of administration enti amra bia na tu say o ma me ade odin to letter of administration enkoda no ye evidence kire so mo ye beyond more than 18 years akoda bia no akọt bia fra se bra court be di adanse bia 2 o papa japade emra bia ntia enu mi bia ni so se o protect o papa legacy. But in order for them to achieve a aim by threatening and kodano mo why omasuro ntino enipa betimi aye said ye mo kan ye momosuro na matwo mo ho na fa ye insight nkodana ti o maame se o maame na enye enipa na ebo sa abra no enso maame ni nya onye o mo hwe o ye ti ye kasai me ba e makase maame no ade ba akwa wode aye Ghana ni bia wo se wo ntia se ne bra be kase maame wo waye mi sei waye mi ABC ni enwade ade na maame ndi aye Ghana ni bi unim ne he wo bai what say maame na no asem wa kamususem bia tia ne kunu na wafiri mu no da ebi nsi ye nti wo se sei nti se wono emra no man kwan okuta the legal right to say se mi kunu afiri sabi yesu kra ye jahem na me court akope akoje letters of administration na wo say eno ye bone me yesa magumi kunu ni mase sa nipa no onwini wadwene nya adwuma se mi kunu wu na mabana ajapade amene ne ye me invested me pesa me hu bibia wo say mi kunu wu ntino me ye na chese mani brade sa
ekwo no ankasa asase so woni ni kruto yo ekwo so eno am koka che maame ne se hwe no ansi asase ba oprega de wote damu ese wono maame ne isle go dan a wono ni krusi ababa wana na ebusa se ejapade bi cha ejapade bi
na ye sabi mpanimfo no komani afiche wo munim ni nyina let them see they should stop pretending hey bama wu na se eyire mienu wom eyire miensa ensa mo ba ye ma oba bia ntra bama bia fi bema ni yeto ni punum nti se na ye kaze lumba hwan abusani ba na koto papa kwadofo su punum hwan to punum
yantum
enso panifo na musora mutu yefo hwan na to lumba punum onto se ye be ye wie abusia trase abuka asane ya twen kra ekira dia mo ye keka ya modi tu yefo ya hwan na ye sa de no
Pamwanye
nti se
eno na ma bebrempo ma be kan ya abusua pani ko bo program ne ase ma bebrempo ma wakobo yi amatawia amane a eno abusua pani na amatawia mo koka che oprega say ma bebrempo ma so mo ntisa antu nkra ni free dem no mo eno okoka se yentu poda lumba edan no dem ne lock no na ne 40 days after 40 days no ye hu ni kunu no ne brabo obebo ye eno abusua pani mo ko dane asem no koka che ababa wan say ma bebrempo ma se yempam wo ne nkra ni nyina efiri east go fie ho.
And point in say na maka say nye nipa bi interest say ye pese ye bugu nipa so na mo nwene ma obi antimi nwena asem a me meti ai sabe wo panimu bi a wo ka bia me papa ware ma achen nti wontimi nka hwe hunu na me na ware ma achen adakoja achen me na ware bebre chem eti dia me ka me na wu ye ne yire bia no okowura ne dem o betra ofie no why ne yire bia nkowura ne dem me papa na di me na ade and wo me ti na chi na me sua free no ho enti mi busam sam panimfo na mo kire panin nsem no hwana tu lumba pono na lumba pono hwana tu mo ana ne se de niam asesa ne niam asesa ne se nkura no so adane de ana mo adwa ho sa so point in say enipa be interest say you be bullying mama no because I don't know say what you bro change because and the last time me hear me checks no see me traffic me nanti we asepa I say ye nuanom Ghana fo ni bi especially panimfo ni bi what time the man wa motia bro chire no do it seems say motena bro chire no a den say on betimi adi mo adwene so because Ghana no ye temu nipa hunahuna nipa nti ase mo bro chire ya na Ghana fo nchada mfili mo saa menim obi abetima research ahwe ade
eyampa
o mfili mo nti ase asemba ase ukra ye mpese ye beka bia ma ase ye hunu se mo kura na ase mo ni ate dodo ana o mo nka bi nche ase mo ni ate dodo mo pekasa bibia mo bechirem because your system no we use the system to tame the people down and I will say this say timidity and humbleness se nipa ye timid and just say obre no ho ase your system no we are too timid based on the systems are ye bully nipa ye tame you down eti I don't know say ma me tia bro chire ni ntino or ye alien to them and they think say we cannot benefit from this one so rather no ye be pursue ba bia ye interest wo because when you nenete and you buy you betimi akuram kra kolobi ni apeye de because ebe ye nwanwa say eho kodofo su radio station say court class wo ye ne yirim mienu a na presenters am ye individual am ye private persons ya form adwuma mutimi tran radio so bo akutia na your presenters wete ma me ni kunu station so na ye bo akutia DLFM, and nobody says anything wrong with it. And you think say normal. Because you're funny. So the point is say, how do you make me do I mean to me didn't so I must pursue my interest. But who say say karma is real.
Sabato bra.
Karma is real. And at the end of the day, Yama no. Say target ni nyina crowd do no call lawyer no so. No lawyer no. But say baby a wogina no eno so ka ho. Now, lawyer is very strategic and only how to the system operate. Eti yam persecute wom ni tata wom ni yatete wom and ade eche say ade eche we and lawyer no ko be kira say unim say ade wa ko be say hu ye. Anytime you make court to be answer lawyer na make lawyer
ku first about musumo fa obi sabato hoye ne dia.
Say lawyer ku si am e kire mu pe you see say na mo ma to futura gum. Hwe na no letter of administration you be free one and distorted the substantive matter no. And so you lawyer say it's not bonten na ya send information ma TikTokers be no more can say. And I'm saying mami akoso say wa baba akose onye interested say mami adi dia no en say still there's some crowd ho. Emran still mama me kwan say or file for letters of administration. Ba akoso won kokra still emra e bi ho. Na yayi akurani dia free mu keke no. Go and see the narrative. Now they lie to the people. Say, but a lawyer not confer be without the person's consent. High court not quash letters of administration out. My God, which contest? Which country? And the don't share that and you so media for be say. Omonta gate lawyer kusi yanka say lawyer pe kasa do bibia na wuchirem ni nyina was in it was a motive. It was a game agenda. Say lawyer kusi bibi no ono kokot no wa mechirem pe now the narrative be change. Eye dey na nyansem say wa law school na interested party letters of administration now oka say when you interested based on the reasons akoda no class the reason say wa exams and so what enti eno an yemfa ne say manu so sumuna so say akoda no yede ni di ka ho ene wa free mu a nka yemfa di ba ofro di nkoka wana eye dey na yetimbe kana bonten say letters of administration ma me akoso say wa file high court no yeah high court has striking it out where which law. Yet, educated fools will continue to peddle this lie through, ignorant people over social media. And you're quite shocking. So, I think, say, lawyer Kusi, because Nagini are very big or strong and what the game, I say. Na society ni person persecute no, ye tata na ko yedin. Na Ghana no say, Asemba, you didn't know to the Viana Samnati Akoda. And ye yen sa. About to obey government matter bepem to rate now case no ye aton chain. And two, so we smarter. Even senior lawyers, example me cited lawyer Obribuahin, or Tiwo, Yamfer, na Yadina Supreme Court at Tiano. To what was I won't say, yes, Yakocha Lumba Japadi, ye. And Nuntina, or more prevent all possible means. See, bet me a distinction between a married and a side chick. It's what to one, now you're massaging what to is oh, case where you could hear you, yet Iluba Japa, the high court or cherry. So I think that Muamu Bema, Munya very strategic, no money.
Now, meditative lawyer Kusi, Papa. Enough form.
I hit a corner another day. Hit another day. So, it's the American say, Muna. When you embrace mu fight to the end, you a part of the democratic system. Nothing stopped you. Obia no beka say through the media or fight a course where Charles say Etiano, Sani Pano Power Koda, and Fanham, one friend. They will feel say, Otia de Mokano, on Tiamuka say, Enipa 3,580, so many interest, and Kadiano here. Sani built democracy, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, allow the people to talk. So that and some no more can be legitimate, it can and use as a reference at all times. Allow the people to talk. So Munya very strategic. Now Mun standing behind Mamia Kosia say wa ono de society na musu woni mukasa. Enti won relax. Na mo mu amutimi kasa no. Ene sempani say okoto say wonu abodu say jadam ho. Sansuo na fa wutini wo abodu say nyina wuram. Fi say free ni so o de beba so. Adie ekoso yi se enipa fight am ye hu no kure ne ye kasa ye di mpanimfo enkeka achi any intimidation achi a ebeye a sign of precedence ato ho na oba bia obekọ sa atibie no they will use a high court decision against you because point ni say ade omukoye ye no ontimi nka nkyere me say wo de German for new certificate to nemum wo German de wo nyinto because you have no idea sane ye no sane ye no
ani minim de menyo
sane ye no o me bre do it's society no o mo ye bre empanimfo no ma ye bre and now manya a lot of tibon cause of so no quickly so I concur see who we are do not concur until the final decision and you will be cast as you mon twhwem empanimfo kasa kura yen twhwem because ye de mra na ebu oman no amamre ne amane nso ye nsua wie panimu bia ne amamre ne amane asante amamre enye wo hini bia ne te ase nyo hini bia nkwa ne nim bia sabia empanimfo ansa ne yesi hene empanimfo te ase ansa ne yesi hene nti nyo hini bia ne nim asante amamre eti wo hini bi kasem na won te ase challenge no enkyere sa wo mu no se ye yesa ye transform mo bulie a ye generation na ba no na ye be mo fi se wo no the future does not rely in the hands of them. It relies in the hands of the young people. So when it comes to matters of critical thinking and challenging systems, nobody should try to obey bullying and say, stop talking, munya can't system it's of the past. Now, yemi anuswa mo ma me akoso say one channel. You see, the media no game ne play akoso no doso nti mesra mo say maame no eya nsem bi wo ha sabi mo amobe no ya mamu enema bu ya mamu keka nche na kuma ntu when it comes to tricks e wo Ghana. He said, ni age ni kona nim. Nti ensem bi wo ne bia ya yebi ya keka kire ya omo keka na Ghana mo benya kura ka mamu mane ntibi. Afi, munya very strategic. Mon fish information, dig people, expose people, go on and do that. But ade be yento kwa kona mo amatwa mo kono muntware nyina so. Because they are using the system to, I mean, say, you make create assembly to so I say, and no, Mr. Baba Jama responded to Timilika wife, Baba Jama. Now, I'll say, Baba Jama, or a lawyer. Now, you're so interested, say, Lumba free, yes, Lumba Busia. Yet, Timina Lumba lawyers, as I defended one side. I mean, what is this logic?
Where did you get that from?
What is this logic? Say, Lumba the family attorney. The family lawyers. Etimi jinamu defending at one side. Can you imagine this? Namye Lumba family no. Why na Lumba family says here? Why there's but one side on kwani nim. Sani yadi. And it tells you say, eno na my society no. As see any koso. Who you know. Uni mobi dia wasam yibeti. So uni mobia yentie. Mami akoso ya se wa case na kwa se. Oni mobia. Sa no mo dwen. Nti woye alien enu nti na mani pa nima we nyina koso Baba Jama de mo kan se wote wonka wo se mo pro ne video but woni mo hwe woni dia hwe wono to ye esa mo challenge no ebrebe na Lumba fa no so on represent no ebrebe to brebe yi mo challenge no na obi ntiase a me ba me buso ma se mo Baba Jama se mo tie mi a ye busaw so obi ntiase a how do you represent any partner on Tiasiano? Selumba Fao say represent now. When you partner, what does represent in what capacity? This is interesting. Ghana, you will assemble a poor empty media baka can say, yeah, queer anymore. Young try say you better the systems are more operating now. One will be a Casamunia very careful because Messi case no any pair working hard to destroy the case. They want to destroy the case. Ombenya nanko bia shut up. Na maame no. What the awerho, ye better say maame na the awerho sabi we free. Sana na intent it here. Say ye mpesi no. Ye no the awerho kura wu anaye dey. And today, nature no a ekuma nipa. Sasa no edi nipa chie no ama maame na the awerho through mu amugu page so nyina ne mu home and abroad. My idea. Some time maame ne mo body chidom because Ghana na minimum de na nke nipa bi pese yetete maame no ka maame ne famu because enipa emotional stress mi ku nipa and na Ghana no so mitimi nkrofo ase de ometimi atete wo yetete wa na wa mu ano masa ba say oh me ensiesie mo me emfa so bi entina sankofo ne very wicked people or do bone no wi wasaba oh yensiesie sa na yete eti maame no no mo tokwa bia so atete no na nka ofiri mu a ne yasaba lumba kura saman na abefa no ko na nya sa na ne mate wa ba dwena dwene bone am maame no obedi ka agya no o dwena dwene bone man obedi ka agya no fi se wonya wo hwe unim ni babia ye kasai onim obia babia aya asɛm a mo akoka ene ye kyerɛkyerɛm dia mo de baaye mo kan ye tie ne ye kyerɛm maame no nsoma wo bia enti mesrɛ mo a mo bɛ maame no mo a mo kasa ma no ensɛm bia ya no games na ɛkɔ so highway ni so no mo ma ne nte nye bibia na ɛsɛ mo ka kyerɛ no wɔne mo di nkɔmɔ so asɛbia mu ya mo ntoma na reka because they are setting agenda na no na me ka ne mai sɛdeɛ wɔn nso wɔn nhyɛ de nte Ghana system na sɛ no fine wɔn ba wɔn bɛto wɔn nuanom but still enipa bi can manipulate them and wɔn bɛkyekyɛ wɔn mu na ya nkyekye wɔn so na ya maame no ni safety ɛyɛ important sɛ ni ma no on hu kwanfa so betumi manage ni fie ye fi sɛ ɛyɛ easy sɛ enipa bi ɛbɛ pretend sɛ wɔn dɔn ni papa na wafiri mu no now they will represent them and wɔn bɛ concord to watumi apɛsi nkɔdaa no ama maame no bi adako bi na ni fie adagya ɛda abɔnten ti mesrɛ ya mo ne kasa mo kan kyerɛ no sɛ nkora na nyini na wɔntumi ntu wɔn fodi a ɛne ya on toto ne nanam oyi safety ho asɛm na mekan sɛ de ɛbɛya enkomo bia anade bia yensusu se obi betimi anya because yeti asese ye ebeye nkofo bi benya na nkomo nyamaame ne ho asem bi e de abeto obonten enso besi ne ebi maaye it is still mamu nkase nkofo na mu dili no enipa bi eti wo man no wom agya mu they are looking for all means to get maame down say ye be jamba maame ye be gu nani mu ase on say de hwe ensam ni pictures bi omo edit di gu maame ne mu ase ni nyina nkosi hwe maame ne ba Ghana no ye hu ni fili gadochi say 62 years pa ni oni obia nu obeka bi say maame me ne koto say konkonte powder obia nu wose maame me na ye say wo ha me na obia ntimi nkan ye nanso so yese eye ake eye Ghana for wasem asem payitia ba cho question for wa maame nti
ya da si bebre etimiga wife I me moderators sabato ba mamunsi no mamunsi no
Asante Queen
saba mamenka sawie mamunsi no he's part of Timniga wife waba pena oye na musisi na do wada wa yamodai adamu ye mi ko different in baby dey tell mo
Asante Queen
sesi mamenka sa
me burezi me ba
sesi brother bi wo so me reso mo asi no ana mo ko fa ye brother ye sister nso buy so ba
me your politics ana obi ba fa
ana mo yes ah
Asante Queen so enyame me ba hu se me nua reason the reason
ayi saba kan no do
aya abodi
mo ye ni yo
Asante Queen me
kasa mo ye na ma for dey say me ye di pa cross ade
na
me tell baby kwa no ma do ni pa so nkan mo
any asema wo ma na ka
ni pa dia ba be gina so
Tabato me pa cha omuso omu nya na say ni say ti me so me switch my account ko e call different account and me say the reason show wa and I just came to support my brother. You remember, support him. And this maybe by support me, obi we talk comedy di matem. Na mo de sa attack na mo de man before.
Obi ntimi ni di watem.
Me ba cha me ba me ba me ba. Na obi twa se munyi sabato mfiri so, we jimi na mo di matem. Na obi su
obi ka so ye jimi. Obi ka sa.
Comment mo twa na me reply wo mu. Na mo di matem. Na wo say you feel so which means you
no that nigga why for mo angasa mo to mo ni man na se che say.
Eye odobro ni tofo ene wo command mo. Yes, motie. Etimi nu aba me.
Na wonya sure say your program for no na yes.
Me pa cha eyi me free so no. Me na me respond mpa cross. Ade na social media
no motie. Na wonya sure say program for no na yes.
Me pa cha me nu aba tie. Social media no. The moment ya man kwadi obi achi, my video tie sa na tie. The reason show our Canada. Wo ba omia. Ba reason on take sabato. Oya me brother I respect him. Ba wo na me no ya ade no. Na wo hu ade a me no wo ye no. Eno nti na manya time. Me wo we odobro nti omo threaten so mbem say ya be chi me bem say ya threaten wa wotia. Listen very careful. Now the moment obi be betray me na wo accept ya. Sisters. Me tonya me say me training abedi matem. Me prepare.
Na wo tire sawa.
Me ba me na me kan so mo munti de o makomam. Me yes aso obi me kasa me betray ya ba mo na mo betray me. Because me tiwa me ba UK. Me I respect that woman. Tiwa me kasa onye oba na me boa. Tiwa komo bia me ndia e me ni mi komo ba sa me ba social media na ba
lie woman
me ba cho I'm coming na ba put to social media no I say what fan wake up na ba be di matam na ba be ku mu fi na me so me bu fo ya obi me ni untem asai Asante Queen, ebisi mintem. Sister ne frame the respect and money. Any mesre senua. Me bu pa mutie. Nti mu amudi nua ba na chi no. E ba social media nyane. Me dirty prayer. Sa me be me dirty work ya. Me video be trend. Enya no ntem wa. Me do ma me akosese wa. Me do awalefo ma. Mo bre bo me ma wa brebom. Na ye di moni na oba bi. Epese. Ogumani masena so na mo ya papa. No ntem di machi. But if you don't respect that point, and you joke with me know be anka betima kasa take Kennedy as with me here. I don't care. Ewuo me so wo ewuo beba. I don't care. Me tire to ani mo krom ya. See e mom tuo ye di omo mom tuo tie me mabufo ba eye pepin kankran komi na me go eti samo anya de mo ya no me nua me kam bo asem because am so life na Asante Queen ye fast frame me besa me ten fast me ten ya me donyam se matamfo nyam wo de manfo kwa dwum ebi anya mia ka me nua ba Asante ko obi dina tem ebi anya mia nkatiwa ba ya mu binu ye tamochi na me nua branche tawochi na obi tawochi no ohun se me matamochi na ama ne kosa ba mama nya sebia Asante so life onya 3k sa me so me koso tia mo menya 3k wonu sa me koso tia mo menya bia 5k
Sabato ye twaso menfi
na kama se me mesi
Sabato ni bi ma men kan
Me busia kwa hefa.
Sabato mensi
for mo didi matam na ma
Sabato mensi for ye pa cho
na mo say sin there I doesn't show respect
Sabato tie de make
Na wanya so program ko for no mo yes.
Sabato
for moderators me nua ba
Sabato tie de unia ba
me wona de me ka mo mo didi watam.
Adwel ma men ka bi interest Sabato
dollar for someone politics last week you say me my beka sama mo entidia de onu be control me
Sabato tie me
one video what kind of
na so do kronko me nua ba ma ye twaso ye tiri kwakwa ye ni ne ma unua ma na ye mesre tim legal wife for ne me bi wa ya ye ntwitwa so even see ye mu ba kokora fo ma de mbesi fa de be ye no ya na is too much nipa no wayi nanim so tim legal wife ni ye esene katema krampo ye ko so ye ka bom aya munya sa is too much ba kokora fo ma
da bi ma de kronje so yo mo yes on say na the reason kasa no on say na saba ka bi fam eto mo ka che saba so one but insulting him ne dia da bi wo ye ne bema ye ne panyini
ye twaso what against bi
so ma asem dia ne mo atam die dia ne
atamina me me tuwa bi kwa me wa
tim legal wife won betimi egura ko wado so ye wo ye mistake akra dia ni
kwase for ma wo tim legal wife mo tena kire ni anya
Sabato twaso Sabato ye twaso na wunua be ma ne de nsempa na mo
ya obi ama galaxy obi
to galaxy kura ma twaso
me be me nua ba me
ejo pelayo na wo pelayo
ayo su ha
wo pelayo be wo pelayo be
Sabato ye
me tadi do frame me
aye me so obi pelayo ma
ye twaso ye su ha woni me ni use sen o
me so be tola wo pelayo
na yi me fiso
me na me ya de kura me ti so wo mu na me
kwase for me moderators mo fam kwase
ayi saba wo pelayo
ye mo moderators antina me nya obi moderators
wo fe jai
kwase se wa papa bi tine wa ama papa
okay your brother akasa you nti fa bi so your brother so the reason akasa you
me nua branch akasa yi mo se adwene ne adwuma also wa chese ma me to ba
saba
me ba so man sere me e wa tato enko wo bi me sere
ma wa twa so why
na ha ye culture platform ne say enya MPP enya NDC
enya me ko ho de aka hu hia
ma ye twa so
enko
ma me ha ho
ba cho ni to
so ka bi to our brothers
me nua branch the racing show on say o kasa na adwene ya dwuma atena brochire da na sa wot kuta brochire krata na onua bi tia brochire no wale na oba Ghana na judge bi nkwa brochire da na judge ne ka kire nse ne krata na wade krata singire chani so nya papa na so kuta sa krata ne bi na wo judge ne jatuma wadwene wa fom ha ne bo fire tire me ka kire no me metu kwan ade ne kuta bi ana wo so kuta bi ana me de na senye enti wo de na wagye atum senye na so do dobro ni eche adwamanti wusudi na wagye atum na muda so konto kwa ye hu de da na musa konto wutie no wadwene no na musa konto mfa so bia ni so because se German ni ye ka kire so obi di jama document abe fake wo Ghana ne wakọ abrochire asa aba asa akọ abrochire jama fo nche no o judge na wudi sase no wo ye okay akọ school me man ko school nti woni nya sase me jama yo South Africa kura na ka obi tie ana me ne ka sa okuta South Africa fake document ya enka ye jelu hanom wo mu fa woni agro na the whole Germany the whole European system na maami we akwa
Adwa me
abrochire
pa cho yenya sister bi nso a sabato nya abotre yenya sister bi nso no so oye adwuma o ase woye adwuma into saa ne ma we o se crevice na yi na aba na ye flood into person obeka bibi oye fan no o masi no nti ye se pick no why o person the reason show ebe ye yi because no so nim nsem pa wo si di ne the scientific ni say
ozo pakasa o
Sister ni say
Queensy side. Queensy, me pacho high. Now I'm on pick.
Queen's side enti manenya high na ye pick no why
eti abrochire fo ma
me pa cho one be bo
Mama,
afori ama me Queen's me wi am fe nipa kro me sere wo adwa pick the Queen's
wo social media say wo ji stars na say wo ji de ade na wo tell wo say
waba o adwa waba
Okay, wa my. Sabakasa mefa no kasa kejegu.
eti abrochire fo wo abrochire wo Ghana mama akoso say wo judge bi ka say the certificate no enya papa no ye ntimi hu say jama fo che no airport abagana ko go through one case una wako fraud Ghana what the all they say fake document now what abrochire mama ne krata anye mama ne kra ko ran krata mu a no kuta shinlela no kuta ntini pakra bomba da na madwene aye adwuma nti ye nua reason sem okana metie na so mo life from me nua brante we die adwene ne adwuma ma chese unhu oba ho no unhu abusu ofrim we bi kuna te no wachina fanse ontiasia ana bia wodafoma no bi kan kwase sem afa no ba na adwene adwuma ese wo sen pakro utie maami na mo se ne krata anya ne Ghana foi radio foka TV foka bi waba Ghana Germany bi ahwe video ya welcome wo do airport ebi nim so mo track no ya track na ma ya nsanche no tio ya track na kan nkrata asem asem e wo social media na enwum ya nche no asakọ wura ne fie watene fie sama me kro na asakọ court Ghana court no ese kwa dwondwene ho ese akọ hwe nuomum ese ya na asenye nti o ma ba mu kra ne fie maami na oniri kru start abrabo 90s 80s no ni anwo abaye bi no saa maami no a date odo oniri kru koto asase wo no saa maami no ne ye kire se oba be peja pade na emom ya nkire se maami we na oniri kru no omu si dan no mu ha dan na saa ta sa na metia obiso maami ase omu kasama odo wa no maami ne kra no ya se oni dadi number 6 no maami bi ona di o manu ko ha da mu na ekọ na mse ti woni mse oni lumba siso na lumba si dan na wo mu mienu no o mu ha dan ena o matima ben sefie ena court bai ena so oje japade ama obi na Ghana mram no yeseso onu obabo brabo mu a abrochire mram Ghana mram mo japade e mu mienu mu dia enti saa maame no ana ne kuru ni dan na oni asase on to obi da ena oni nsate no ono ne na obi a woni na ba betena na ba ma na japade wie mo kwama no pasa wadwene wo fom tinsem we na hu se menua brante ne tese opugo we ya lawyer we ya judge na busia pen ni kwatra TV so ese na ono an de hye awo to don kodofo so yire oni na wawo abobra awo ma se ne certificate ye no de pamochaw ehene na Ghana mranti mi afra papa na musa ne se prove your evidence na se mun kan kore abusa pen na court defend no se abusa pen na timia bi na no aka na sha television se certificate bi ade aba court no ye no Ashtown anasa Fantino town
La global.
court no abusa pen na sa court sa kodi bem ye musa no wase
adwa we dem stress about to say ya waba so o ye adwuma no waja waba me so mane nkasa kaka na nka me pe na
Mama fam fam mami wise.
why we dey about
Really?
ne why na
Okay, oba yes about Mama mbacho kejegu mu ya brother mu ti. Ya bu na busuafo.
Yamisha mo. We the na impromptu intimation that you prepared. But na me the na sabato kan na me foaso.
it's like we need to fight the cause, but we need to also be on course. I feel like Team Legal Wives, you have a big platform, but it's about time we do the right questions. They say, Chris Vincent de buy a document, no. I was expecting that Nkamubeye like live show say, no more discuss a document, no, in depth. Because document no more it was just fraudulent from the first page to the last page. Once the document ni na had once a coin se sika, ukure sika, there is a hidden image in sika. Because it's original, no, they have like an emblem, BR is hidden in the into printable and na image ni shame. But page na odobro ni din woman no. It was just a PDF. Into that particular page, you know, they were trying to insert it into the application. And I call live be so omu life no so, and I was trying to explain things to them, not omu person beti. Guy be so no or ye jumama America for and no fill forms in America for and not me who's not say be oka bullshit. Now me call line and be and say America himfa. And I fill forms. Our fill forms say we there is a blue ink option for you to edit. I sit in the office. So all fill forms for website. The only moment website number more options say blue. But almost baby that lumba ni ne bani Priscilla D1 a blue near underline. It means that option you can edit it. So what it meant was that they were now doing the application. And I share pictures no omuya na o share URL na and I said web address na it said application web, meaning that it was an application they were doing as at the time na on which picture no. So these are the things that I feel like as Legal Wives we should be bringing in there. And as I will share the very last page now, baby odobroni you know na or the PDF into a two different tabs. But we a website and odobroni there no a PDF. And now as a obe drag it. So you could clearly see that these are two different things. And another thing, we say our system be our old data, any future data. And it's also American embassy. Anybody or 100 people can have the same name, but just one person can have a different like birthday. And it's all the information be two system one. Automatically it recognizes certain information. So what they didn't realize is while they were trying to do the application to make the application 2024, Udu I think was the 4th page. Ubosomaye owner beneficiary OB registration. The system automatically detected it to have been registered in 2022. So the question is, if a document was registered in 2014, how was the owner's registration done in 2022? It doesn't make sense. You can only have a document being registered in 2022 and then you get 2014 in there because I have past information. But you cannot have past information with a future year.
Minister, what can I say?
Question number, another thing I realized. Look at the number ne ba 10 numbers now. They tally. Akwa say na ye social security no. So ukoye to say tax bibiana for uni webusu business transaction. When you go as a group, you end up having the same serial numbers because muko as a group. Intibo serial numbers no, they will be the same, but they'll have different. Most maybe P00401, P00402, P00403. Osha that lumba ne bane diana. They tally. The last twin, all of them are the same until the last, I think, 3 numbers. Makuye 401, Makuye 40X. Usha dobro ni diana. SRT P, then it goes 000, it goes 1. So the next thing we should do as Team Legal Wife is to go to GRA and ask them. Because exactly, and now they are channel. No, because
mathematics, I want to get another zero.
All serial numbers in this world, they have a year. Year behind serial numbers are your mom. So we can know what year that the Lumber's serial numbers were created and what year Odobroni's serial number was created. That can tell us that they were trying to put an and that, like that. Oh, baby, the chair, baby, are you blue no? it means that this is not registered. They were trying to register it into opening a core system nimu, trying to do this registration. That is why it is blue. For any business that is done in, like I submitted, I approved it, and it was supposed to be black and uneditable. And then page, will either say confirmation page or proof of application. Nothing else, nothing more. And to me feel say God is exposing them to us, but we need to do the needful and educate people more and more. We ask the questions, how are you telling us, like Namekano, that an application was done, but then the same application that was submitted and registered, we can still edit that application. It is never done anywhere in this world. You cannot edit an application that has been approved. Never. So what they had to do originally was to go to GRA, no makachem okay, for affidavit of support, bra. Then you write in affidavit that, oh, you perceive a nipa we beka business no. Then they will go into their system and add the person. But because they were dumb and thinking, yeah, that's why me call Chris page, me go catch a Chris. Or say one person to come and debate him. And I'm catching say, you as a lawyer, you could not even identify that document now Ukraine a fake. You want somebody, no matter I don't say team legal wife class 1 now. We don't have time for people like you. Because if the document said there were two anymore, you can't even tell the document is fake. How then do you expect people like us, learned people like us, to come and sit and be debating with you? You are below us. It's going forward, I feel like we have to do the technicalities too.
Oh, okay, madam. For the benefit of you know the work education tea. Me work company or Ghana with my 10 number in anti the work. So was it a new blue or also the ordinary blue? The lady can so
yes. So we are media person.
More a black we original from registered.
Anything that has been registered already is automatically black. It can never be blue.
And the reason so, Saba,
Adwa, money repeating a screen recorder same.
Yeah, me am a company certificate to cranny and me company and you fake if you want. It's the all canon. Now say what on quite my business because a black here, 10 numbers.
Yes, anything that has been the moment I hit the application say pa. It automatically becomes black.
So all failure.
Say, Quincy, can you repeat it again? So a screen recorder.
While I'm doing it, reason for blue in a brand. Let me explain it, and then whoever is doing it will take it.
Okay, Anoni. 10 numbers now. On the buy
10 numbers no.
Yeah.
Almost your registration with 2014. There is no way any website there is no way any record that is being registered already will have these things that are able to edit. It is not done. So for anything that was registered in 2014, it should have been black ink. Point number 2. If Odobroni that the registration not at the same time, how is Kevin and Charles T number no having the same serial number sequence, but Odobroni is way off. So we will go and find out why no numbers no share that number in the banner there 0004120 and then you have 42 and then 0x. But Odobroni there no or see a P001. So the moment that comes in, it means that it is not part of, because say a business, it's like friend say, family,
joint business,
And then the other thing that Chris said was, say, Oko register the 10 number no, you're single into all filler form no, blah blah blah. That is bullshit. America, UK, Canada, Germany. So Oko no some more tax what we call social security number. Now we 2 years and now America. It is the same social security number you are going to use for the rest of your life. You don't change the social security number because you are married.
Never.
So how do you tell me, say, remember now I'm going to America and now UK and now Canada no? Or you know, be 25, 35 no war. That's of course or
Quincy, the reason big now one show fanche will be a screen recorder for
Yeah.
Opega mu die ni ho ane blue no ho.
Yeah.
Yes. And you know, from what we see here, no, it means that they were doing the application new because you can edit everything in blue. So, Oko website, Biana, you see any ink in blue, it means that it is an application
you can edit
that
it.
is being done.
Right.
It means
And
it can
then
be edited.
original one from Register General, number a black, whatever.
Yes,
you can edit
black.
it. Yeah.
Automatically, it has to be black.
Yes,
You cannot
you can edit it.
edit
The
it.
reason
once
who
you
die ni
submit.
ho.
You can edit
The
it.
reason.
Aye.
Okay.
You cannot edit it.
Reason Mr. Mobi me yimi di achero. My register.
Aye. Now we'll be a fan. Yeah. That's lady where you're right.
You know, they were, and I think it was the third page. So what? It's very at the very top. Your application web. That will tell you that they were trying to do an application. And our system not chi or more. And automatically edi OB registered number 2022. It is what me one so their mammy and
Okay, Eva. Yeah, the middle one.
Yeah, I think either the middle one or
yes. Yeah, I think October. How much I say October 7th, 2014. And in 50 on yes, I had a bar. Okay, well, 2014. I mean, comment on my houses.
Me fan to nechi. By the just for so the pen or ya owner of a beneficiary.
Okay, the beneficiary. Okay.
Yes.
Owner. Yeah.
OB registered.
Yeah.
Just say OB registered. In the idea we in 2014, no. Then OB registered no by 2022.
Charles Fosunini, yes.
Because we cannot go in. Say who?
Yeah. And on until Osha say no, beneficiary nini.
Yeah. Until we say owner beneficiary no. We say owner beneficiary no. Oh no DNA. Is it this one you're showing me?
Yes, RPG Charles Fosu 442.
Hold on.
Okay, yes. I think say unanini. Until I'm number yeah. Until 2022 here, and only 2022 here. 17th November 2022. Oh.
Wow. What's the form? I'm sorry, then I drop it.
What Mama Sanfanti? They know what kind of niti. Onano, almost say onano on air, which is Charles Fusu. Yes, Charles Fusu. No, not the 10 number here. P 0041204442. And over here, also membership date, registered date. November 17, 2022. And you know about the campus.
Registered date now and the tin number. OB or say beneficiary register business no owner beneficiary or non intino and I share that the lumber DLFM now out 2022.
I beba to bet me at 10 camera no. The reason camera no.
Says where?
I think swap for phone no go upside down. I think it might work that way.
Okay, mommy in the reality.
Okay, Pokia, I see Pokia so they need the bet there.
Mirror.
Tile me ba why?
Intino when we said DLFM no.
Abusia,
It was
Pokia way. Saba wo there way.
Okay. Me kwa me sawo. We so ya asamo gradi.
Na make us a 10 number no.
Black camper.
Yeah.
Saba you picture if you were to never say ye.
Intino, what they were basically trying to do was do editing of the whole
application. Okay, what anyway?
Maybe
Saba me you picture no.
Maybe na me say can about 10 number. If it's 10 number registration, it started 2018.
No, tin number actually started in 2002. The tin in Ghana.
2002,
tin registration by Ghana. Yeah. But the point is, there is nowhere in this world that Ukofili application with tin number status and determine the other two forms. So that is a blatant lie. It is never done anywhere. You know, you social security numbers. So what you say, you so be file man that's your social security number. Now China. Now go file for fry. You have to change your status because Nipa no ne jai.
Dabi.
No. It doesn't happen like that. It's not what they were going to do. And when we page na Odobroni din that so no. Baby and the birthday ne da no. For sa page ma me na menche wa de bi wo.
Me ba cho Rosie na sa no ma ya de chire. Odobroni ni lawyers ma confirm say eye jenu a wo mkuta na.
Pokua so die ni o. Mo pokua so die. Pokua
o ma confirm say jenu ana say obi na de to kaka.
Me ba pokua me. Saba me ba.
Okay.
Yeah, cancel the reason by me bo. Me ba. Pokua o die ni. O die ne die.
Anti number no say.
Number no na wo no.
Yeah.
And I was
other side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
B001796138. Okay.
Even though this is printed in already no. Say na omo chair no say o print na sa page no omo de ba social media no say o print it out automatically say if you use a colored printer it will come as blue.
Yeah. And
if you use a colored printer it will come as blue. It won't come as black.
Yeah, a baby blue.
If you into Osha Odobroni page now, the end of the page, you will see there is an X at the edge.
Yes, there's X.
Meaning
no,
that
edge. Yeah.
It is a tab.
Edge. Yeah.
It is a tab.
Edge. Yeah.
It is a tab.
Edge. Yeah.
It is
X no can X no which is you can close it.
Paper now Odobroni did that no. It's different from website now. So these are two different tabs.
X no means you can close the
means you can close so Odobroni page no.
Good news.
Reason.
Yeah.
Odobroni page no chair.
I was about me so want to give you one report to page no.
Mo sure report to me. But what's the image?
To give to me power tap na want to get.
Yeah, ni so a PDF. O sure so a PDF. Afi go back to baby blue no one. The baby blue inks no one. Na me che ma dey bi.
Yeah. Okay. When you suni.
Oh, so ushe mudia. There's a kowechi kakra. There's an image. Akwa say a gray.
Yeah.
Hidden in the
which is like embodied as the company embodied inside.
That shows you that Odobroni there no, it is not part of that registration.
So I will fix it in.
They were trying to fix it in. And the system no automatically catch on say that number na business no your owner no or register the business no 2022. You cannot cheat a system.
Oh, in fact, even reflection at omutra picture and reflection channel. It is all here. Reflection at once a rainbow star cry reflection at cheap paper now.
Exactly.
And so we say when Ghana TV stations in Apostle media radio.
Reflection at in editing on reflection.
And there is a page. There is a page that has start date.
Yeah.
Who shares that page now? Font no, a very small. And the ink near very faint.
And baby. And also anywhere font now. Where's the font? There's a where's now yatreno. A small. But other ones are a bold. I can see it.
So meaning that whatever they were trying to do, they were not getting the right font that was used for the original piece into whatever input they were doing. No, the amateur on the crampo no that start date no was 2014. No, oh me who me come me when so then I lose it. So these are the things that we should be looking. What on your mobile? On your go to the next page for me again, like the same document. Either the next page or the third page. That make sure no. Finally, I think.
Report to page on Mr. I want to give to my and what I say. I can't say. I guess the reason is Muya.
Yeah, I think is it? Let me see. Hold on. Is it this? Well, maybe actual 2014. No. Yeah, 2014 October 7. Then phone. Yeah, straight. We'll try to read it. Yeah, just do it straight. We'll try to read it.
Okay. So If I'm running, say as well.
Yeah. So baby, I just start date, you know. She start font size, you know.
Yeah.
Next font size na come.
And I said, I didn't know. Yeah,
You could
different.
clearly see say
Different.
Esusa.
Yeah.
Clearly see say Esusa.
Where's Sakra? Yeah.
Esusa cry. Once they say, oh, fill form some. Yeah, we dealing with documents, you know. So, your email crana, your font matters. So,
Yeah.
fill form, the font size is always the same.
Yeah.
So the moment you close out of it, you know, sometimes sometimes it's hard for you to even determine, to even remember what fonts you use. Because I feel like makes it sound before you might, if it is you who did the original one, you would know. In doing so, when my input they didn't know these are the minor things we should be getting in their things and calling them out on it.
So in your terms, now say Team Legal Wife and more analytical call in the system to expose the system.
Let's question them.
Yes, so we question the authorities in Ghana Register General. Say we want to see the
How can
authenticity of
somebody
the document.
register a business and you are trying to tell us that a registered business is able to be edited? A business that has already been registered is able to be edited. And about this Ghana, competent you now. Asante ngo tonchene
Yeah, hono de bibia possible. Yeah, kro ne de bibia possible.
You just can't ready to yama.
Yeah, kro ne de bibia possible.
And finally, at a queen, means a woni nkola no mobenya any de abon komo. There's one thing I want you to show them that will speak to their conscience. Oh, obituary no moye no. If you can get a copy of obituary no, sit the children down and let them go through the obituary. And ask the children, say, how much of space did they give them in that obituary? Are they trying to tell the children that omuni papa need grown-up picture bia number one? For them to put those grown-up pictures in there. Number two, if the court recognize their mother as a wife, obituary, they should show you where they put their mother's details. Number three, catch no more say, hey, Odoboni no on 6 or Busia. Sebi the bitu of mommy and there. Before anything their mother and their father suffered for, Odoboni be chairman in 6. Or we are their money brother, or we are their man immediate family. Asiana Becano, as an ebedrum. She should put it in her head. Odoboni will never feed her and her brothers, leaving the 6 children. It will never be done. It doesn't matter how much Odoboni pay on Masim. It can never be done. And to know they should go back to the someone teach here. They should go if they won't realize all the things that were said about their mother. They should go to the obituary and critically look at it and ask them, say, if their mother was supposed to do that obituary, would she have done it this way?
And for me to remember Trestle point we know. So be more almost like Shanko, lady or young ladies in guy, gentle guy. No point and say almost person who say intention. I said they want to. I mean, almost crepo or more. I mean, or munko say, Senka no, lumba on papa area. Adena obituary forms on you both say, Akosia say, wa.
So what?
Munko how?
Yes,
how omo refer or mammy on papa area. Or munko na and unka be almost say it was intentional. No one tells you who say, any panel no more dealing. I mean, they are using them for them to go against their mother because no kuremu say. Come on, kura omo pese come mami eba ye ni bia omo ko say refer omo mami na who say at their ages no say you refer obi yere ewo obituary document mo na yeah that's what telling me say
reason onim see that document some de buy no crampo no Kevin say name no omo spelling ye
okay
Shendela no omo spelling in ye they didn't spell it right, so meaning that enye that lumba na ye she document no so Shindla no mo spell ye no omo spell Shindla ni ye omo ye no Shinla was a Shindu said. So even then Kevin's name they did not get it
the reason who bet me their journey and name no how they spell it
ever until why omo ye no Shinla Kevin Shinla
it you might just that number oko school or who ni badia or who mistake
until what's your crown original name yes you can't pronounce it say
Shindla. I think they said it was Shindla also Shindla.
Oh but where is Shinla Shinla. Yes.
That's what Shinla did. No more who spell it.
Oh, well, someone who bought into who spell it. It is not a Ghanaian name.
Omo ya Kevin Sheila. So which means on say boni ba creating more tongue and on say so we deliberate so person with boni. Now we refuse.
So you see, even the name there is wrong.
And that's I think say mom ben yenu emrantie na baba wa ne you know omumbra be testify say na wodi ye no ana. Now I mean we see a deliberate attempt no person.
Yes.
So and some ye intentional na mo church mom ben
now we need and then your life say ya munko GRE na munko fro bia oye adwuma ho oh your person be explain chain you say 10 numbers o register no singular for the rest of your life o be form bia or so you single nipa no the person with the expertise come and explain that oh it is either so or it is not so.
That's it.
But before that so when never born komo then you know beforehand say nipa no question now bisa no ohun nimdie before you bring the person on. What you say? Yeah. These are the educations that we need so that people will not think that legal wives no say we are a bunch of class 1 people who don't have any, who don't know how to. Chris Bassett me question no do.
And it's so funny because just say a whole institution etna Ghana say obia wari 2010 2010 or about 2014 so be enkrata you say your man is single or you're single marital status yes or you're single.
Yeah,
I mean it doesn't make sense.
Pacho, even 20 me pacho.
So, Brazil, so
yeah.
So, I
pacho me pacho.
Eti aya LA letter no any kukutie ya no. Eti wakasa kire wadwen. Sesi anu do you think so dobroni? E wo chance ana. An ebi anasta o de ohu no. So dobroni wo chance. So ni chance nso a na no so akire wadwen under the comment section. Aha eguso eye Derrick Gossip TV. Makrab.